In this video, I'll show you how to add follow button on Facebook comments. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now you need to be logged into your Facebook profile, right? This is our Facebook profile. And I'm going to show you how you can turn on the follow button on your Facebook comment. So what you need to do now, you need to click on this, right? Click on your account, then you click on the settings and privacy, right? Click on the settings, then wait for this to open. Once it has opened, come on here to this your settings and type in public post. I know most times if you comment on Facebook post, there are some comments that do have the follow button. So after this video, if you want your comment to have the follow button, ensure you watch this video to begin to the very end. So you click on this public profile info, right? Once this has opened, if you are using a PC to enable this to work, right, you'd click on this show most relevant comment first. You need to turn this on, right? When comment ranking is turned on, you see the most relevant comments for your post first, right? So what you need to do, we are going to turn on the public follow button like in our comment section. Like if you comment on a post, your comment would carry the follow button, right? So you're going to turn this on, right? You're going to turn it on right now. Then if you are on a mobile, you need to check the comment ranking, right? Turn it on your mobile phone. If you're on a PC, you need to turn this on, show most relevant comment first. So this is basically how you can add the follow button on your Facebook comment. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.